There is only but one truth. 1 plus 1 will always equal 2, and remembering that math was never really my strong suit, I'm wondering what is the equation that will get me back together with you? So if 1 plus 1 equals 2, now divide that by 1 and we're still whole, but I kind of feel 1 too. So we split by another divide, and 2 and 1 are by each other's side. Now love is in a new transition, so 2 over 1 become a transposition, that's half. Half of what we used to be. Fighting now incessantly, and I'm still troubled by the math, and I'm trying to make this right, looking for some sort of sine or cosine, but I'm going off into a tangent. There's a test coming up soon, and I don't think we can withstand it, and if we briefly change subjects to our history, statistically it is proven that we will fail miserably. Now, I've never really been good at typology, so if I'm wrong, please correct me, but are we doomed to be warped like the Mobius strip indefinitely? No beginning nor ending in sight, just fighting to an infinity. Einstein said, "Don't worry about your difficulties in math, I assure you mine are greater." But trying to solve our problems is like figuring calculus with no calculator and seeing that we save the most difficult problems to solve for later, what once was less than now has a sign of becoming greater. And even Pythagoras couldn't help us solve them, because if I'm A and you're B, we still can't see the square root of our problems, and I'm trying to solve them, looking for some sort of right angle, 90 degrees. Can we go back to 180, please? But no, we always do a 360. And I'm troubled by the circle of events, because the same things we seem to circumvent, never solving the problem completely, only letting it grow exponentially. Now, where were we? 1/2 is 0.5. That's a percent of 50. Just 50%. Both of us wanting 100, but neither of us giving it. And now that you're gone, 50% times nothing is 0. And if we could just exchange our chromosomes and replace it with binomials, you and I could become X and Y. But even in your absence, I'm still wondering what comes next. Looking at this, it can't be right, because I'm still problem solving for an X. Thank you. So I haven't performed that like in a lot of places other than colleges.